Today we will discuss about the type of oscillations. Oscillations can be classified as free oscillations, forced oscillations, and resonant oscillations. What are free oscillations? When a body is disturbed from its mean position, let it be a swing or let it be a pendulum, when it is displaced a little and is let free, it oscillates with its natural frequency. If it oscillates with its natural frequency, those oscillations are called as free oscillations. Now, forced oscillations, as the name suggests, the oscillating body is forced to move by an external force to move with a frequency that is different from its natural frequency. So if it is forced, those oscillations are called as forced oscillations. Like if a pendulum is swinging with its natural frequency, we are continuously pushing it. When we are continuously pushing it, the oscillations are set up in the pendulum that are different from its natural frequency. That means those oscillations are called as forced oscillations. Now let us discuss about resonant oscillations. When a body is set up into the oscillations by an external force, but the frequency of the oscillations is same as that of its natural frequency, that means resonance has occurred. These oscillations are called as resonant oscillations. So free oscillations, oscillating with natural frequency; forced oscillations, oscillating with a frequency that is different from its natural frequency; resonant oscillations, oscillations set up in a body by an external force, but the frequency is same as that of natural frequency. Now, all the oscillations can be of damped nature and undamped nature. What is undamped? As the graph suggests, in this case, the oscillations are having the same amplitude. That means the energy doesn't die out. Now, talking of the damped oscillations, in the damped oscillations, the amplitude of the oscillations of the vibrations gets less and less and less and less until it becomes zero. That means the energy of the oscillator or the energy of the vibrating body is dissipated against some dissipative force. That means these type of oscillations die out ultimately. But if we want undamped oscillations, that means we have to supply the oscillating or the vibrating body the energy that is being dissipated against that dissipative force. That means those oscillations, when we have got damped oscillations and we are supplying energy in order, those oscillations will become undamped. Those oscillations are called as maintained oscillations. Likewise, when we have a pendulum clock, we are supplying it with energy by a dry cell or a battery. So the battery is providing the necessary energy that is dissipated by the pendulum against the resistive force of the air. On the earth, as we have got resistive forces, we can't have undamped oscillations. We always have damped oscillations, but those damped oscillations can be changed into undamped oscillations by supplying them energy at regular intervals of time. Those oscillations are called as maintained oscillations. Thank you for your patience. It completes our simple harmonic motion.